Carried away, man. You know, little bit carried away. Here we go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are live in multiple places. Want to say thanks to, of course, Adam Handler for joining us for his own show. It's called Cruising with the Case Handler. I am David Squeezaniki. It is a show on personal injury. Can you imagine? A white guy and a black guy decided to come up with a show on personal injury law. What the hell?
Ebony and Ivory.
Here we go. Here we go. You know,
Listen, I'm in a good mood. You know, we're it's Thanksgiving Eve, man.
I think we were warned not to sing, weren't we?
18 years ago, I proposed to my wife, Stacy. The night before Thanksgiving, 18 years ago. We were living in Boston. I've been with my wife since college, since we were both 18. And then we moved to Massachusetts, moved to Boston. I went to law school. She got her master's in hearing and speech pathology. And, you know, after a while, you know, we're dating now, 6-7 years. But I didn't want to propose until I had passed the bar exam. I wanted to make sure that I would be able to provide for both of us. And once I passed that bar exam, on the first time around, I passed Massachusetts and New York. So I took 2 bar exams at the same time, passed them both, found out that I had passed in early November. And then by Thanksgiving Eve, 18 years ago, I popped the question. So happy, I guess, engagement anniversary to you, Stacy. And ladies and gentlemen, good morning. My name is Adam Handler. Of course, I am your case handler. This is a show we call Cruising with the Case Handler. We do it on a daily basis every morning in between, let's say, 7 and 10 a.m. here on 93.5 FM. So you better keep your dial locked in. You never know when you're going to catch us. And of course, we're streaming live on Facebook. We also put it up on Instagram and YouTube. So please, if you can, check me out on Facebook. Check out the Case Handler on Facebook. Check out the Case Handler on Instagram. You'll see for your own very eyes the wonderful work we do here at the firm, and you'll catch this show. And in fact, if you're watching live on Facebook right now, you'll see Squeeze still has the price tag on his glasses. You would see that.
Who says it's a price tag, man? It's a reminder tag.
It's a reminder tag on your glasses? Come on, man.
Yeah.
All right. It's a reminder tag. Well, I'm reminding you to take it off. Okay. Thank you for your endorsement, Squeeze. Tell everybody who I am, what I do, and how I do it.
Oh, I can really do my job now, man?
Permission granted, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, this show, once again, is called Cruising with the Case Handler. It is the most powerful show in the entire nation that has to deal with personal injury law. This man here has helped the Caribbean community more than any other personal injury attorney ever. Facts. He has settled well over $135 million for his accident clients. And that's the reason why I advocate for him. The station advocates for him. Other broadcasters advocate for him. And that is the reason why he's the go-to attorney on the station 93.5 FM and outside of the station. So if you're in New Jersey or New York and you get into an accident, you only need the case handler, Adam Handler, because you've got one chance.
One choice.
And there is only
one case handler.
There we go. We got to get that going.
A little bit better. A little bit better today.
A little bit better. So once again, we want for you to look him up. Just don't take my word for it. Go to Google, type in the case handler, check out the reviews. Go to the website, thecasehandler.com. Check out the verdicts. Check out the settlement. Listen to the testimonies that he have. Adam, pop a testimony, man. Speaking about
I will.
Happy anniversary, Stacy.
Thank you. If she's listening, she's actually at work right now, but she catches us on the replay. And again, for those of you who are have linked me up on Facebook and Instagram, and also YouTube, these shows are available, obviously, streaming 24 hours a day. So you can just watch Cruising with the Case Handler all day long if your heart desires. I strongly suggest you don't do that. But if you feel the need to really, kind of welcome me into your home, and, I use this show Always Squeeze as an extended interview. Hopefully you're not getting into an accident as we speak right now, although that has happened. We have had people call and say, I just got into an accident while I'm listening to your show, so it's a good thing I had your number. But accidents do happen, and you can certainly never prepare for an accident. You can only prepare for that response. So the question I pose to you, ladies and gentlemen, today on Thanksgiving Eve 2021 is, what is your response going to be when disaster strikes? Because trust me, bad things happen to good people. And as long as I'm out there and know that I'm there to help, and know that I am the best possible option for you and your family, then I've done my job. And this show has brought true meaning to you folks out there. I do want to put on a true life success story, because I really do believe that's the best possible endorsement. Of course, I appreciate Squeeze and the other DJs on this radio station that have endorsed me my entire legal career. But I truly believe the best possible endorsement comes from those individuals who just were going about their business, and all of a sudden, what happened. And we feature them every week. I invite you to check out the Case Handler on Facebook and Instagram, and even go one step further. Google the Case Handler. Go to thecasehandler.com. You'll see the wonderful work we do, and we put great pride and effort into highlighting these cases. And Squeeze, here's a case that we just posted, brand new settlement from a week or so ago. We just posted online. It's a car accident. She goes by the name of Charlie for this purposes. And can you just describe for the viewers what you see here as far as the damage to the vehicles goes?
Yeah, listen, man, it's a banged up. Why does it look? Which of the cars is it, Adam? I mean, I see two smashed up car here, man.
Yep. So we have the car on the right, and she was driving down the road, and all of a sudden the other vehicle swerved into her lane, into oncoming traffic across the double yellow line as she was taking a turn, and ran right into my client. I mean, there was really nothing she could do.
Which of the cars is hers? Is it the Hyundai?
The one on the right.
The one on the right. The one on the right looks like it's destroyed. Like the front is just completely destroyed. Yep.
The other car crossed over, like I said, the double yellow line and hit my client. This was up in Westchester County. And we've been battling out in the courts for quite some time. The insurance company refused to pay. I think their final offer at one time was like $25,000, which was just not going to do the job here. And Squeeze, if you can read that number and that close to everybody out there, that'd be great.
Ladies and gentlemen, as Adam, talk about this true success story, and I'm looking at the screen for those of you who are not watching Facebook. I am looking at the screen of two cars all crumpled together. The one on the right is a lot more destroyed. And Adam noted that the insurance company wanted to offer $25,000 as a settlement. However, what I'm seeing on screen here is $197,500. Adam didn't leave the 500. $197,500 as a settlement. This is unbelievable. It says here, giving them a 10 out of a 10 isn't enough. It's the honest truth. I highly recommend Adam Handler. He's very professional, cares about his clients, and helps you with any questions you may have. I am glad I had someone like Adam and his wonderful team. Charlie from Mount Vernon. Charlie, you are the man. I'm glad to Adam help you out.
No, she's the woman. She's the woman. And the $197,500, that doesn't include all of her medical bills being paid, and also doesn't include all her time out of work being compensated. That was just the compensation for the injury claim. She's buying a new home. Actually, she's not buying a new home. She's buying a home. She's been living with her family. Her and her young son have been living at home all this time. She has taken that money. She's using it for a down payment on a home. She is finally able to start her life. And it's a perfect example of how something very good can come out of something very bad. And this is what she had to say.
A good personal injury lawyer, Adam Handler. I would definitely recommend him to anyone, family, friends, even my enemy. He's a wonderful, patient, selfless, very reliable, always on top of everything. His staff is also very kind, very patient. You know, don't be afraid to ask a question. They're always there to answer. Adam Handler, best lawyer ever.
Wow.
I mean, that's amazing, isn't it? That's amazing.
Wow.
And again, you know, these people don't
Hold
have
up,
to.
hold up, man.
Yeah.
Right after the testimonies, we need to give out the phone number. So let me give out the number, man. I want people, because you know what? People don't catch the number when they should. And I'm not that I'm cutting you off, but I am, Adam.
No problem, brother.
Everyone that's out there, you just heard someone speak on behalf of Adam Handler. I want you to have that number for Adam. God forbid you get into an accident. You don't need another attorney. You need the case handler. The number is 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. That's 844-PPIDLAW. Adam is a partner at the firm Pollock, Isaac & DeSico. He's one of the most powerful attorneys I've known throughout my entire life. And when it comes to personal injury attorney, he is truly the most powerful attorney. So I implore you to have his number, or get his number, 844-774-3529. Adam, you may continue.
No, I was just saying, you know, she didn't have to do that. She didn't have to make that recording. You know, a client can just take their check and go on their merry way, and they are 1000% entitled to do so. But that's not what usually happens. Usually it's such a special, sacred moment when I hand that check to them, because first of all, it means that it's job well done, but it also means justice is served. Ladies and gentlemen, these big numbers, these millions and millions and millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars that I've obtained from my clients, this isn't the lottery. This isn't a windfall. You know, this is compensation for an injury. This is righting the wrong. The only remedy you have is in the civil justice system is monetary compensation. You know, the other side, the insurance company, they can't fix your shoulder. They can't put you back to work. They can pay you for the damages that you have, both the monetary and the physical damages. And trust me, squeeze, rest assured, trust and believe, I am squeezing the you-know-what out of them to make sure that they pay as much as possible for your particular case. I take great pride. There are very few things in life that I enjoy more than squeezing those insurance companies to make sure that my client is fairly compensated. It's what I do. I love doing it. I believe I am extremely successful at it because I'm not only passionate, but I am also compassionate. My clients are my family, and when you treat your clients like family, the best possible outcome is inevitable.
Absolutely. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're just joining us, this is Cruising with the Case Handler. I want everyone to reach out to him once again, have his number. You know, you may not need his number right now, but as I always say, dial his number now, okay, and let it ring for about 15, 20 seconds. The number is 844-774-3529. 844-774-3529. And remember, you have options with other attorneys, but the only one that truly matters is the one that has proven himself to this community. And that is Adam Handler, 17 years strong on the radio station, $135 million in settlement. You're not going to find someone running up to you and giving you a card telling you to go to this person and go to that person. You're not going to find Adam calling you for a case. No. This is how we do it right here, ladies and gentlemen. So you store his number, you keep his number, look him up, just look up the Case Handler. You'll find all the details of him on the web, on Instagram, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, and YouTube. The number once again is 844-774-3529. That's 844-PPIDLAW. On behalf of myself and the team, we want to wish you nothing but the best where Thanksgiving is concerned, and happy holidays. Adam?
My brother, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Again, you can't prepare for the accident. You can prepare for your response. I really do hope that you consider me be your first option. I will not know about your accident unless you call me. I don't have people running up to you at the scene of the accident or in the emergency room. We just don't play like that. It's illegal. It's unethical. We shoot straight, and that's why we're going to be around, God willing, for a very long time. So if you need my help, you know the number, 844-774-3529, 844-774-3529, or join the thousands of people every month that Google the case handler, or join the thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of people that are part of my community on social media, the case handler on Instagram, the case handler on Facebook. Squeeze, have a wonderful holiday, ladies and gentlemen. One love, all due respect to you. Enjoy your families. Hope you don't eat too much, but if you do, you can always walk it off. And if you get in that car, of course, drive carefully. There's a lot of accidents. I passed 3 accidents on the way to work yesterday, Squeeze. 3 accidents on the road. People are starting to drive a lot and drive crazy. So just remember to be safe.
Absolutely. And if you eat too much, remember you can reach out to BioLife Health and Wellness.
That's right. That's right. Does BioLife help with digestion, Squeeze?
Absolutely, and detoxing and cleansing and getting rid of the fecal matter out of your intestines. But that's
I never thought that we'd be talking about fecal matter on the Cruising with the Case Handler, but okay. All right.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, remember, he is a personal injury attorney. We all need to have that number, 844-774-3529. Thank you all so much for watching. Have yourself an amazing Thanksgiving. Adam, you take care, you and the family, you and your ladies. Thank you so much for doing this show, man.
Thank you so much.
All right,
bro.
Okay. Take care, ladies and gentlemen. We'll continue with Zenmar on the other side.